Welcome to the channel Encyclopedia Catanica. In today's video we're gonna try to defeat this padlock. This is FAI by VIRO, which means that it's not original VIRO padlock, but padlock made in cooperation or ordered by FAI and made by VIRO. This means when you have two names on the lock, this means then that this lock isn't so secured. Usually, in most cases, cooperation padlocks are not made to be secured. Those are usually basic security locks. So we could see that shackle is flopping around, which means that tolerances are not great. So at first glance we know that something isn't right with this lock. VIRO has much better tolerances, original VIRO. This is made by VIRO probably, but ordered from FAI. So, here is the bitting. Nothing special about the bitting, but if you have original VIRO padlocks, bitting isn't always something that could decrease security, because the spools are really good, the tolerances are great, and those two mixed together could protect the lock against picking. In this case, we don't have spool pins. I'm gonna use this improvised mech tickler, and we're gonna see what it takes to pick it open, to defeat it. I'm not making typical movements of raking. I'm mixing picking and raking, which could often lead to the success. We have two tips on this kind of lockpick, so it's theoretically easier than if you have only one tip on the pick. Let's reset it, try again. Let's increase violence and tension. Something's back. And we got it open. So, as you saw, there are no spool pins, and the bitting in this case does make a difference, but we don't have anything special in speaking of the bitting. We have some lows and some higher cuts, but nothing special. So, here is the locking pole. It's a dual locking mechanism, as you see. The locking pole is for this size normal, as it should be, but they put in all sizes the same locking pole. Into the 60 and 70 millimeters, the same locking pole, which is bad. On smaller versions, I don't know, probably they don't put the locking pole this wide, but in case of 60 and 70 millimeters, they put the same one. So 70 millimeters isn't secured because the locking pole is too small for such a big lock. For this one, it's okay. So that's it, guys. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day. Bye bye.